Here are the main steps to bleed a Formula RX rear hydraulic brake. Wear gloves for protection from the fluid. Remove the rear wheel first. Position the bike so the brake lever is level, horizontal reservoir. Remove the lever bleed screw and attach the empty syringe. Leave the second syringe mostly empty, used to catch fluid at the lever. Remove the caliper bleed screw and thread in the full syringe. Fill one syringe with 20 or 30 milliliters of DOT4 fluid. Tap the syringe to remove bubbles, pushing them upward and expelling them. Slowly push fluid from the caliper syringe up to the lever. Gently pull or push the lever syringe plunger a few times to draw out trapped bubbles. Continue until bubbles stop appearing in the lever syringe. While maintaining slight pressure on the caliper syringe, remove the lever syringe and reinstall the lever bleed screw. Then remove the caliper syringe and reinstall the caliper bleed screw. Clean any spilled DOT fluid immediately, it's corrosive.